What is the letter we are learning today? We are learning to trace the letter F. To trace the letter F, you need a tray full of sand. Hold your left hand here. Raise your index finger in the right hand. Make a small loop. Come down, writing the standing line. One more curve line. Sleeping line. Small cursive F. 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 Start with the tail line. Go until you touch the capital line and come down and write a small sleeping line. Cursive. Cursive F. F. Now let's practice to write small cursive F some more time. F. 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 Now by using this cursive F, let's write some words. F I S H, fish. F O X X, F O X, fox. F F R O G, frog. F L O W E R, flower.
For more such videos, subscribe, like and share. Thank you.